Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today let's understand a very important theorem related to circle, which is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. I have only read it out, now I will be explaining the same. For this we have taken a circle, the center of which is A. On the circumference we have taken an arc DC. We join the points DC with the center A. Then DAC is the angle subtended by the arc DC at the center of the circle. This arc and two radii AD and AC are dividing the circle in two sectors, which I have shown through the shaded part and the white part. Shaded part is called the major sector of the circle and the white part ADC is the minor sector of the circle. If you have any confusion about the basic terms of the circle like sector, you can go through my video in which I have covered all the basics of circle. Now, as per the theorem, we will subtend an angle on the remaining circumference of the circle from the same endpoints of the arc EC. So, EFC is the angle. Now, the theorem says that whatever be the position of this point F, it is always half of the angle EAC. I am changing the position of F point on the remaining circumference, but as per theorem, at every position EFC is half of EAC, or we can say EAC is double of EFC. You can take as many points as you can on the circumference. Like again I have taken another point G. The situation is same with this point also. So FHG or any point you take on the remaining circumference of the circle, in every situation these angles FHG are half of angle EAC, where A is the center of the circle. Now let's discuss one of the application of this theorem, that the angle subtended by the diameter at any point on the circle is 90. For this we have drawn the diameter of the circle WAD1. If we join endpoints of diameter with any point on the circumference like J and O, then we have to prove that these angles are 90 degree. D1W is the corresponding arc of the diameter D1AW. Arc D1W subtends the angle D1AW at the center of the circle. Being a line, angle D1AW is 180 degree. So by the theorem, angle subtended by arc D1W on the remaining circumference will be half of 180 degree. That is why angle D1JW and D1OW will be half of 180 degree, that is 90. Let's see one more question. A circle with center A, arc CD subtending angle CED on the circumference of the circle. Same arc is subtending angle CAD at the center of the circle. We have to find out the angle CAD. So directly by the theorem, this angle subtended at the center would be double the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circumference. Angle CAD will be double of angle CED, that is 124 degree. Let's see one more interesting question on the basis of same theorem. Here we have to find out the value of angle C. Values of angle BHC and DEH are given. First you try to solve the question on your own. If you find any difficulty, then you can see the solution. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.